Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to find TSP account number. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on TSP Gov, you can use our link in the description and you may get discount and rewards or promos upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So take note, I'm using a computer, but you can also do this method on cell phone. So first thing you need to do is to search for TSP Gov website, and after that, as you can see, this page or this website will appear, home the trip savings plan. So just click it. And right here on the TSP Gov main website, as you can see on the bottom part, if you scroll down, as you can see, there will be a contact us information right here. So just scroll down. As you can see right here, there will be a number. This one 1-877-968-3778. You can contact this number to get approached by a customer service agent from TSB Gov and approach your address. So yeah, if you want more, just click contact us and you will be redirected to this page where you can get more information on their contact information and how you can get approached by different methods. You can get approached by emailing the TSP Gov, generating a mailing address itself, or being approached by a virtual assistant. You can pick any of this one, and also the number on the last page. You can choose any of this method to contact the customer service or the TSP customer support, and just ask them how to find your account number. And yeah, that's it. That's how easy it is to find your account number. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.